Okay, so I'm just going to keep going. Number 5, it says find n for the sequence for which an. Okay, so basically here I'm going to write my formula, and these are all just a hair different. Like they just kind of give you different information for each problem. So you're just going to have to kind of go with what they're giving you. Like on number 5, they're telling you an equals 27. So we actually have something that goes there. A1 is negative 12. D is 3. Okay, so they're not giving you n on that one, but they did tell you that D is 3. Okay, so we're actually going to have to solve for n. Yeah, and that's what they wanted us to solve for. And on number 5 was n. So it's just an equation. Negative 12 plus distribute that on, distribute the 3 right there, and you get 3n minus 3. So you have negative 12. I'll tell you what, let's go ahead. How about we go ahead and put that negative 12 minus 3 together. That's going to give us 3n minus 15. And then you just add 15 to both sides. Just a simple equation. And then you just work from there. So what is that? So I'm doing that in my head. Hold on, 27. Let's see, what's that going to be? 42? Does that look right? Equals 3n. And then, of course, 42 divided by 3, I think that's 14. And I can check that. Hold up. Yeah, it's 14. Okay, so that would be that one. So, they just kind of give you different things. It's pretty simple. They, just give you different things, and you just kind of have to plug in what you've got and look for what you don't have, that kind of thing. So I hope that helps. Let me do one like number 11. It's a little bit different. Number 11 says something about write a sequence that has 3 arithmetic means. So basically what that means, between 35 and, I'm sorry y'all, it's hard to hold the paper and write. There we go. Okay, so basically 3 arithmetic means, like, and this is kind of messy, but okay, so you're looking for 3 things between 35 and 45. You can use the formula for this. Like this would be your first term, this would be your last term, the number of terms would be 5, etc. But I think it's almost easier. Let me show you what you can do that I think is like way easier, and it's quicker too. And they have this kind of stuff all over ACT. So, obviously the quicker you can do things, the better. Sorry for the glare. Okay, so what you can do, you can just add 35 and 45 and divide by 2. So if you do that, basically you take the average. So you've got 35 plus 45, divide by 2, and you should get 40. So 40 is the middle of those 2 numbers. So you put it in the middle. Then you do the same thing. You find the middle of those 2. What's the middle of 35 and 40? Well, you can just add them and divide by 2, and you'll get 37.5 for that. Then you can find the middle of those 2. The middle of 40 and 45 is 42.5. So there you go. That one's done. So that's pretty easy. That's kind of a shortcut where I just do it like that. It's just as easy. Let's see. Number 12 is the same thing. It just has 2 blanks, in the middle. Okay, I'll tell you what. Let me do one like 13. Okay, so 13 says find the sum of. Anytime you hear find the sum, that's going to be that SN formula. We haven't actually done one like this before. That's SN equals N over 2, A1 plus AN. Okay, so the number of terms is in number 13. The number of terms would be 13 because it says find the sum of the first 13 terms. So you're going to go 13 over 2. A1 is your first term, which in number 13 is negative 5. And the last term is 67. So you just do 13 divided by 2 times whatever that, what is that, 62. And I actually did this problem earlier just to save time for the video. Well, of course. Oh, no, there it is. It's 403. So that comes out to be 403. And so that's all you do on that one. All right. Hope that helps.